HDMI mirroring demo for the Acura ILX years 2016 to 2019 as shown on the Acura MDX. The ILX and the MDX have identical installation processes.
In this video, Apple Carplay.
Press and hold the back button, press enter, and you're going to see the Apple Carplay on the screen. Control with the joystick, you got all the apps, Google Maps over here, you got Waze, Tuner Radio, and all the other apps. You got many pages.
In this video, Android Auto.
Press and hold the back button, select with the joystick Apple CarPlay Android Auto, hit enter, and there you go. You got your Android Auto, all control with the factory joystick, just like 100% original. You can change all the features, go into the audio, open the menu by pushing left, closing by pushing right, going back to the maps. 100% original Android Auto.
In this video, HDMI mirroring.
HDMI mirroring demo. Press and hold the back button, go into HDMI, select it, hit enter, and there you go. You have your Netflix. It says now playing on your TV, and you have the Netflix on the screen, or you can mirror the entire phone. Whatever you see on your phone will show here, iPhone and Android.
Thank you for watching. Please click the logo on the left-hand side to subscribe to the channel. Subscriptions work on smartphones, tablets, and computers. Please like the video and leave a comment. Please click the link on the right-hand side to watch the full video.